How to recover deleted SMS from Android phone without root or PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can recover your deleted SMS from Android device. So if you're unable to recover your information, then you have to use a third-party application. However, there's no such inbuilt feature on the Android device itself. But then you can go ahead and open up a Play Store, and then on the search box you can go ahead and type in restore deleted messages. Right on this page you'll be able to find multiple applications that can actually go ahead and help you to restore your information. So for that you need to go ahead and install any of these. So I'm gonna go with recover deleted messages. So I have to wait for the application to be installed, and after that you need to run the application. Once the application is completely installed, then you need to go ahead and set all of the information, all that, and you can just go ahead and select backup or recover, and between that option you need to select recover, and accordingly you'll be asked what you actually want to recover, whether it's a photo, messages, or whatsoever, and then you need to go ahead and select messages, and you should be able to get the recovered message. However, this is not a reliable method. Now once it is deleted, sometimes it's very hard for you to recover the SMS, but then you can give it a try and let us know in the comment section whether this particular application did help you or not. So that's basically how you can recover your SMS from Android phone without root or PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.